Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Music Shop. So today I want to make video demo about my UI UX. So I make video UI UX for the UI. So what is UI? UI is user interface or the tampilan bahasa. So UI is like what the design. Nah, okay, so I will explain step by step from the first from what loading screen. Okay, so you can see there is five what five what the name? Sir, already sir. Five frame. The name is icon simplest. So UI what loading screen you can what you can say splash screen. This the simple loading screen. Yeah, so next to the design design the application. So I start from here. Yeah, so this for what the name? What names? Yeah, for the first me. Fun after rolling screen directly go to these pages. So in these pages there is a lot of icon from Dua and Al-Quran, Salat, fasting, kajian, story, donasi, and also there is amal and hijriah. So next, in icon salat, you can see there is what the name? There is this the time, and you can see 1 o'clock, yeah, and Ashar still 2 hours again, and there is the time for pray from subuh, duha, zuhur, asar, maghrib, and isya. Wait, you can choose this maghrib and isya. So, for subuh it's from 4 o'clock, and there is tarbiyat in 9 o'clock, and duha from 9 o'clock until for zuhur, and zuhur is 2 o'clock, 12 o'clock, asar, yeah, until isya, until isya. So next, and here there is prayer, kiblat, and also there is that. So next to kiblat. Okay. So in kiblat you can see uh where the kiblat example. If you there is in forest, so you want to get pray. So you can open the kiblat and you can search where the kiblat. Example, the kiblat in here in 300. Later you can do it in 300. Next to do that, please do that for time for pray. This 1 month from uh, uh, from 1 day until just until 15 because yeah, cannot add again. So next to the Al-Quran. Okay, so and then uh, when you open Al-Quran, you can see the surah. Yeah, there is from Al-Fatihah and till what? Okay, so when you click Al-Fatihah, the pages will be moved to Al-Fatihah pages. And when you click Al-Baqarah, the pages will be moved to Al-Baqarah. And if you click Ali Imran, the pages will be moved to Ali Imran. Okay. That's pages from the Al-Quran. And next to the dua, okay, so dua there is a lot. Dua before sleep, dua wake after wake up, dua before enter bedroom, go out from bedroom, before study, before go out from house, and dua before going to another class. Yes, better. So dua before sleep. There is the pages. If you click, that's going to dua before sleep pages. And that's same for the after wake up and enter bedroom. Okay, next to the fasting. This there to same the fasting Ramadan, fasting Qada, fasting Nazar. I'm sorry, this the picture I'm not yet what not yet change. Yes. Next to kajian. Okay, so in kajian there is the Ustad Khalid Basalama, Ustad Syafiq Rija Basalama, Ustad Hanan Al-Laki, and still a lot, Ustad Abdul Samad, Ustad Baas Al-Latif, Ustad Felix Yao, and also the last Ustad Muhammad Faizar. If you click kajian Ustad Khalid Basalama, the pages will be moved to kajian by Ustad Khalid Basalama. If you click Ustad Syafiq Rija Basalama, the pages will be moved to kajian by Ustad Syafiq Rija Basalama. And also Ustad Maulana Faqih. Yeah, that's for the kajian. Uh, Next to the story. So this dari story Nabi Adam, Prophet Adam, Prophet Ibrahim, and Prophet Musa. Next, the Amal. This there is the example of Amal Soleh, Amal Jariyah, Amal Ibadah. You just click what do you want. Example Amal Soleh. You want see the example. Just click and the pages will be more. And yeah, for the donasi there is for Asuhan, pakai Asuhan, Panti Jompo, Bencana Alam, and pembangunan masjid, and also dari donasi kesehatan. Okay, so the donasi there is from 5,000 until 450, or you can add by yours what nominal. And there is the method for page. There is Dana, BNI, Mandiri, GoPay, OVO, BSI, and BCA, or you can use QRIS. And this there is motivation or uh, yeah motivation. And this be the hadith. Next to the Hijriah. Okay, so there is uh doa if you see Gathana and that of Hijriah and Hari Besar Islam. You can click what you want. Example, you want click Rahan. If you see Hana, just click. Later will be show the doa. Okay, so maybe just that. And in here there is three icon. This from back to the these pages. If you click this one in the left, that will be moved to the that calendar. This calendar. Okay. So if you click this, this icon. That's will be move to profile. Okay, later I will what later I will explain when I make demo the UX. Okay, maybe that's all from me for the demo UI. Okay, I'm sorry if I have any mistake. Like I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.